Welcome to this technical guide on the PCCom Revolt 4070. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your PCCom Revolt 4070 sounds like a jet engine, you're not alone. This loud noise is usually caused by a failing fan, which can lead to overheating and potential damage to your internal components if left unaddressed. Ignoring the sound may result in more severe issues down the line, so it's vital to resolve it promptly. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a replacement fan compatible with the PCCom Revolt 4070, thermal paste, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, ensure your PC is powered off and unplugged. Lay it down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Carefully remove the side panel by unscrewing the screws located at the back of the case. Once the panel is off, locate the fan that is making the noise. It's typically situated towards the rear of the case. To extract the faulty fan, gently disconnect its power cable, which is usually clipped in place. Then, unscrew the fan from the chassis, taking care to note the type of screws used. When removing the fan, be cautious not to disturb nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new fan and position it in the same spot as the old one. Make sure it aligns with the screw holes. Secure the fan in place by tightening the screws, being careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the chassis. After that, reconnect the power cable to the new fan. Before closing up your PC, it's a good idea to apply a small amount of thermal paste if you've also removed the heatsink during this process, ensuring proper cooling. Once everything is securely connected, carefully replace the side panel of your case and screw it back into place. Finally, plug your PC back in and power it on. Listen closely, the loud jet engine noise should be gone, leaving you with a much quieter computing experience. To prevent the fan from failing again, ensure your PC is kept in a dust-free environment and consider regular cleaning to remove dust buildup. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.